Hi everyone, welcome back once again on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep in our next session of 100 most expected CMAT questions of logical reasoning, and this is part number 9 of this series of session. I hope all of you are in good health and also I'm clearly visible and audible to all of you. So friends, welcome once again. I hope I'm clearly visible and audible. Yes, Ram, all right. JBIMS, okay. I understand the emotions. All right, so friends, in this series of sessions, we are discussing some important questions, independent questions, or the questions which may appear in front of you in a set of more than two or three questions. We are discussing all these questions. All right, and in today's session, I'm going to take one amazing set that is based on the mixture of circular arrangements and blood relations. Now, by solving today's set, you can gain command over two different topics. One is blood relations and one is circular arrangements. All right. So this is the mixture of both of them. Today we'll be taking on only one set, but this set, yes, it is. I would say that very high in the level of difficulty, and it will clear your concepts for both blood relations and circular arrangements. A very, very good afternoon to everyone, those who have already joined in this session. Uh, I'll be displaying the common set of information on your screen in a few moments. Just quickly be ready with your pen and a sheet of paper. Okay, चलिए तो start करते हैं. Let's have a look at today's set of questions. So these are the directions for the questions that will be followed. All the directions are there in front of you only on a single slide. I'm giving you 3 minutes to read this information, to decode whatever is given, and then after that we'll start with the discussion. Though 3 minutes is less, this set requires an average of 5 minutes to solve. But since we are solving it on YouTube, so I'll be giving you 3 minutes. Just read it, understand each and every statement, and then we'll start solving this one. Okay. So the set of directions tells us that 8 persons J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and Q, all belonging to the same family, are sitting around a circular table. So all of them are of same family and they are sitting around a circular table facing the center. So that is one good thing, that all of them are facing center. Okay, with equal distance between each other, but not necessarily in the same order. Now the first condition says that O sits second to the left of his wife. Both the immediate neighbors of O are males. J, the wife of M, sits third to the left of P. P is the daughter of Q. Only one person sits between J and P's sister. So there is one person who is the sister of P. Only three people sit between L and N. One of the immediate neighbors of L is married to L. So basically L is sitting with the spouse. Okay, I don't know the gender of L. So if L is male, L is sitting with his wife. If L is female, she is sitting with her husband. Okay, so one of the immediate neighbors of L is married to L. Done. Now K is not an immediate neighbor of O. P's only child is an immediate neighbor of P. So P and P's only child are immediate neighbors. Only two people sit between N and the one of the N's parents. So this is the complete set of information based on which you will have to, I would recommend for such questions, it's better to first of all draw a family tree, and then using that family tree you can draw the circular arrangement or whatever arrangement it requires. Now, 1 more minute and then we'll start with the discussion. All right. All right. Samath says he's done. Very good, Samath. So a few more seconds and then we are going to start. So if you can do this question in around 3 to 4 minutes. So yes, it's good and we can start with the discussion. Okay, chalo, start karte hain. Now, like I said that first of all, I'll be drawing the family tree. Okay, probably like I may not be able to complete the family tree based on all the conditions, but still I'll draw the family tree and we'll find out who is the spouse of which person, who is the brother, who is the sister, who are the parents. थोड़ा सा idea मिल जाएगा and then I'll be able to place all these people around this circular table. ठीक है? So let us start from this statement. O sits second to the left of his wife. So this tells me that O is male, okay, and O sits with his wife. So O is married to someone. All right. So what I generally do is I represent the pair of husband and wife with this sign with equal to sign, and a box will be for male and the circle will be for female. So O sits second to the left of his wife. So O is married to someone. I don't know the name of this person. Okay. Now both the immediate neighbors of O are males. अब O जहां पे भी बैठा है उसके immediate neighbors male हैं. So I can place O here. Fine. I'll mark 8 chairs around this circle. And both the immediate neighbors of O are also males. Now, one thing is, I don't know how many total number of males are there, how many total number of females are there. Okay? So it can be anything. It will we'll get to know it once we are done with this arrangement. Okay? Now, both the immediate neighbors of O are males. Fine. J, the wife of M, sits third to the left of P. So J is the wife of M. So I can say that another couple is M and J. J is female and M is male. M is husband and J is his wife. Okay. So J, the wife of M, sits third to the left of P. Right now I have not placed P anywhere, so I'll leave it. O sits second to the left of his wife. O की जो भी wife होगी, that will sit at this place. So I'll also write the number of chairs so that I'll use it for your understanding. So from the first statement, O sits second to the left of his wife. So O को मैंने क्या किया है? I've made O sit at chair number 5, and O's wife, whosoever it will be, will sit at chair number 3. Both the immediate neighbors of O are males. J is the wife of M, and J the wife of M, who will sit third to the left of P. Okay, so इनके बीच में 2 chairs का gap होगा, right? Now P is the daughter of Q. I don't know where Q is, so P is the daughter of Q. P is female. Only one person sits between J and P's sister. P की एक sister भी है. Okay, so J and P की sister के बीच में सिर्फ एक person बैठेगा. All right. Only 3 persons sit between L and N. Now, in a circular arrangement of 8 people, if 3 people are sitting between any 2 of them, that means these 2 people are sitting opposite to each other. Okay. L and N are sitting opposite to each other. L and N opposite to each other, right? Because 3 people are sitting between them. Okay? Now, one of the immediate neighbors of L is married to L. So L is another married person. Okay, so one of the immediate neighbors of L is married to L. L का जेंडर नहीं पता, but L is also married to someone. ठीक है? Now K is not an immediate neighbor of O. So K chair number 4 और 6 पे नहीं बैठ सकता. P's only child is an immediate neighbor of P. P has a child as well, male or female हमें नहीं पता, but P's only child is the immediate neighbor of P. Okay, only two people sit between N and one of N's parents. So N का कोई ना कोई parent भी है यहाँ पे, right? Okay. Now I have a missing person. O की जो wife है वो यहाँ पे missing है. So O की wife Q हो सकती है. Like Q can be O's wife. So I'll start with an assumption. If this assumption fits, I'll continue with that. Okay. So I'll draw a separate family tree now. So O is husband of Q. All right. And P is their daughter. Okay. Who has a sibling, who has a sister, right? P की एक sister है. Done. So यहां से हम एक married couple शुरू करते हैं. So O and Q are a married couple. One of their daughters is P, okay, and P has a sibling and उसका नाम हमें नहीं पता. Okay, P की sibling L हो सकता है. It can be J as well. So right now I have no idea about that, right? Now P has only child. P का एक child भी है, right? Now P's child can be M or it can be J as well, right? It can be a possibility. Okay. Now since I've assumed that Q is the wife of O, so Q will sit at chair number 3. I have made Q sit at chair number 3. So O sits second to the left of his wife. Both the immediate neighbors of O are males. Okay. J's wife, J, the wife of M, J, the wife of M, sits third to the left of P. Now, third to the left of P is J. Okay, J, who is the wife of M. All right. Now, since J is the wife of M, J is female. So, J cannot sit at chair number 4 or chair number 6. Right? And J sits third to the left of P. So, according to this, P will sit at chair number 7 and J will sit at chair number 2. All right. P is also a female and J is also a female. Right? ठीक है? इतना clear है? Now P is the daughter of Q. I've already used that. One person sits between J and P's sister. Now P की sister and J के बीच में एक person बैठेगा. Now P's sister means a female. Okay. So P's sister cannot sit at chair number 4 because at chair number 4 a male is sitting. So P's sister will sit at chair number 8. So who is this person? P's sister. Okay. So only one person sits between J and P's sister. Done. Now only 3 people sit between L and N. अब L और N क्या होने चाहिए? Opposite होने चाहिए. ठीक है? L and N should be opposite to each other. Clear? Now, there is only one place which is left, okay, for this opposite pair. That is chair number 8 and chair number 4. Okay. Now, L and N will be sitting at these two chairs, right? Now, who will sit where? ये देखना पड़ेगा. Now, P's sister. Now, N क्या था? N के बारे में कुछ information थी. Okay, so L and N ये पता लग गया हमें यहाँ पे opposite बैठे हैं. आगे चलते हैं. One of the immediate neighbors of L is married to L. Now L will be married to the immediate neighbor. Okay. Now L किससे married हो सकता है? L O से married नहीं हो सकता. L Q से married नहीं हो सकता. तो L cannot be at chair number 4. L has to be at chair number 8. So L will be the sister of P. इतना clear है? Done. Now N will be sitting at chair number 4. So one of the immediate neighbors of L is married to L. Now immediate neighbors of L. L is not married to P, so L will be married to this person who is sitting at chair number 1. right? So I'm going hand in hand with these two. So L will be married to a person who is sitting at chair number 1, right? L cannot be married to N, P, Q, O and J, or M से भी married नहीं हो सकता. So there is only one person who is left, that is K. So L and K are a married couple. So यहाँ पे K को बिठा दिया. Now only one person is left. J हो चुका, J, K, L, M. Only M is left on the table. So M will sit at chair number 6 and M is a male. I can see that. Okay. Now K is not an immediate neighbor of O. Fine, it is applicable. P's only child is an immediate neighbor of P. Now P's only child is an immediate neighbor of P. Now immediate neighbor of P is L and M. L is the sister of P. So M will be the only child of P who is male, and M's wife is J. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people are drawn. N is the person who is left. Okay. Ab last thing. Only 2 people sit between N and one of N's parent. Now N ka parent, it cannot be P because P has only one child. So on the other hand, K has to be the parent of N. Okay, so N will come at this place, right? So sitting arrangement as well as the family tree, both are drawn in front of you, right? So this is the arrangement. This is the final arrangement that we will go with. Now, 2 students have told me that they are done. Samarth and Friends Vlogs. Have you drawn the same arrangement? Can you please confirm? So have you drawn the same family tree as well as the same arrangement? You can just confirm me. Meanwhile, we can start solving the questions. Okay. So for the first question, wait, let me erase the extra data that I have written. Okay, so I'll be referring to these 2 diagrams for each and every question. So question number 1, who among the following is N's mother? Who among the following is N's mother? Samarth says he has drawn the same diagram. That's wonderful, Samarth. Good. Now, question number 1, who among the following is N's mother? Let's go back. N's mother. So, N's parents are K and L. Okay. So, K and L are N's parents, among which K is male and L is female. Okay. So, answer will be L. So L is the mother of N. So correct answer will be option A. Alright. So option A is the correct answer for this question. And yes, that is the correct answer. Let's look at question number 2. Who sits exactly between O and Q when counted from the left of Q? When counted from the left of Q, who is sitting exactly between O and Q? Let's go back. O and Q. So O is sitting at chair number 5, Q is sitting at chair number 3. Left of Q, if I'll go in clockwise direction, only one person, N, is sitting. So N is sitting between O and Q. So the correct answer should be N. But I don't have N among the options. So option A, B and D can be cancelled. Okay. Now who is N as the relation with others? So is N M's cousin or O's grandmother? Now N is at the bottommost generation, so O's grandmother nahi ho sakti. M ki cousin hai. Yes, I can see that. N and M are cousin brothers. Yes. So M's cousin, that is option C, is the correct answer. So question number 2, option C. ये गलत है, J हटा दो. Option C is the correct answer for this one. All right. चलिए. Next question, question number 3. Four of the following are alike in a certain way based on the given arrangement and hence form a group. Which one does not belong to that group? So options are K, L, M, N, O. Basically, we'll have to find out odd one out. So based on the given directions, there is one out of these five which is odd one out, and we'll have to determine which one is odd one out. Let's check. So K, L, M, N, O. K, L, M, N, O. Okay, these five. Out of these, I can see that O, K, N, and M, four are males and L is female. So only L is female and others are male, and that should be odd one out. Option B is absolutely correct. So yes, Samarth, Ravina, both of you are correct. L is a female and hence the correct answer. Next question, question number 4. Which of the following statements is true as per the given information? Which of the following statements is true as per given information? First statement, N and M are immediate neighbors of L. Now, immediate neighbors of L, no, N and M are not. So option A is not correct. O is the father of P. Look at this. O is the father of P. Yes, P's parents are O and Q, where O is husband and Q is wife. So definitely O is the father of P. This is correct. Let me check other options as well. None of the given statements is true. Rejected. O sits third to the right of P. To the right of P. O sits second to the right of P. And the last option, P sits to the immediate right of her daughter. P's daughter. We don't have P's daughter. P has a son. So this statement is also incorrect. So option B, absolutely correct. And yes, that is the answer of this question. Moving on, question number 5. How is K related to the person who is sitting to immediate left of J? How is K related to the person who is sitting to the immediate left of J? Yes, any answer? K related to the person who is sitting immediate left of J. Now, immediate left of J is Q. How is K related to Q? Now, Q's daughter is L and L's husband is K. Okay, so K is the son-in-law of Q, or Q will be the mother-in-law of K. कौन सा रिलेशन फाइंड आउट कर रहा है? हाउ इज K related to the person? So K is the son-in-law of Q. So the correct answer is option A, that is son-in-law. Okay, moving on to the last question, question number 6. Who amongst the following is K's sister-in-law? K की sister-in-law कौन है? This one is easy. Who among the following is K's sister-in-law? Now, K's sister-in-law, again going back, K's wife's sister will be the sister-in-law of K. Okay, wife ki sister is sister-in-law. So K's wife is L and L's sister is P. So P will be the sister-in-law of K. So the correct answer is P, that is option B. So option B, question number 6 is the correct answer. And friends, that's all about the set and today's session. A CMAT 2024 specialized course, you can enroll now for this particular program. So all of you, this is a very important information for all the students who are planning to take CMAT examination. So we have online classroom program, comprehensive preparation for complete other management entrance test examinations specialized for CMAT preparation. You can enroll. The link is given in the description of this session. And right now you can avail a 12% scholarship on this test, on this crash course. So CMAT 2024 crash course is available to all of you. Now CAT 2024 VARC, the game changer, a free live interactive workshop will be conducted on 21st of March at 7 p.m. So make sure that you register for this workshop by visiting our application and attend this. Also get up to 90% scholarship on all our CAT preparation programs by writing a scholarship test on 24th of March at 11 a.m. Also, you'll have to register for this test. This test is free of cost, so all of you can take this test and register. All right. CAT 2024 Roadmap to 99 Percentile, a free live interactive workshop will be conducted on 31st of March at 11 a.m. So register for this workshop by visiting our application. Now, I told you about CMAT specialized course which is available. 20 plus CMAT live lectures will be there. 50 plus engaging videos will be available to all of you. 5 CMAT mocks which are based on updated paper pattern. 10,000 plus topic wise practice questions will be available, and 10 sectional tests across CAT, SNAP and NMAT will be there. So you can join using the link that is given in the description. Try it now. CAT College Predictor, which is based on your profile. Any doubts you have, you can fill in this form using the link. You can get social with us on all these social media platforms. Have a wonderful time. Thank you very much.